Imagine a gold rush where you don't need a shovel, you don't need a map, and you definitely don't need a crew. You just need an idea and a voice. This is the era of the micro-SaaS. We are seeing solo builders replacing full-time executive salaries with tiny, hyper-specific tools. A law firm time tracker here, a YouTube thumbnail tester there. These aren't billion-dollar unicorns. They are revenue machines, generating $10 to $80 a month per user with zero marginal cost. Historically, chasing this dream was a technical nightmare. You needed to write production-grade code, configure terrifying server stacks, wire up databases, and pray you didn't accidentally leak credit card data while setting up payments. Even the so-called no-code tools required you to learn complex logic flows that felt just like coding. But that barrier? It just got blown to pieces. Enter Replit and the age of vibe coding. This isn't just a code editor anymore. It is an AI co-developer that lives in your browser. You don't nudge templates around. You negotiate with an artificial intelligence. You describe an app in plain English, like a gamified to-do list with 3 subscription tiers, and you watch it generate the entire stack right in front of your eyes. This is exactly what builder Brendan Jowett demonstrated. He took a vague idea and turned it into a revenue-generating product in literally 17 minutes. No local development environment, no fighting with deployment scripts. But the secret isn't just the tool. It's how you talk to it. Most people fail because they treat the AI like a search engine. You need to treat it like a junior engineer. Here is the winning workflow, and it starts away from the code. Jowett begins with a voice memo. He talks to ChatGPT like he's pitching a product manager. He rambles about features, user flows, and money. I want a project list. I want an archive view. I want a reward system. He dumps the raw chaos of his brain into a transcript. Then he asks ChatGPT to restructure that mess into a single, coherent prompt. This is the spec sheet. It defines the feature list, the authentication needs, and the pricing logic. Only then does he paste that polished block of text into Replit. This 5 minutes of pre-planning saves hours of frustration. It's the difference between a confused AI and a precision instrument. Let's look at the result. Questify. In less time than a coffee break, the AI scaffolded a full marketing site, a back-end database, user accounts, and a gamified task system. It didn't just write the code, it deployed it to the web. But a web app isn't a business until money changes hands, and this is where the new Replit update changes the game entirely. Monetization used to be the hardest part. Now, you just mention Stripe in your prompt. Replit's agent immediately slides in a connector. You log in, and the AI gains scoped access to your Stripe account. It doesn't just add a pay button. It actually programs the subscription logic. It decides who gets to see what content based on whether their credit card payment went through. The AI even acts as your pricing strategist. If you ask for 3 tiers at $10, $20, and $80, the AI parses that intent. It understands that the $80 tier is for power users and automatically gates advanced features behind that paywall. It creates the products in your Stripe dashboard and wires up the checkout flow. It's doing the work of a back-end engineer and a CFO simultaneously. And it is flexible. Want to pivot from monthly subscriptions to a one-time lifetime deal? You don't rewrite the code base. You just type, change billing to a one-time purchase. The agent rewires the API endpoints and updates the UI labels. This allows you to test business models as fast as you test features. Now, let's be real. It's not magic, it's probability. The AI will make mistakes. In the Questify demo, the AI accidentally let non-paying users access the basic plan. A logic bug. But this is the new reality of development. You aren't writing code, you are debugging logic. You tell the AI, hey, users can see this without paying. and it patches its own mistake. This shifts your role fundamentally. You are no longer a coder. You are a product manager who speaks English. The barrier to entry for building a software business has